Patriotism is the love and devotion one feels for the country. It involves a deep respect for the nation's history, culture, and values. Patriots actively contribute to the betterment of their country. Patriotism fosters a sense of unity and national pride. It encourages citizens to work towards the common good. Being patriotic means respecting the rights and freedom of fellow citizens. Patriots are willing to make sacrifices for the well-being of their country. Patriotism promotes a sense of responsibility towards the environment and society. Celebrating national holidays and symbols is a way to express patriotism. Patriotism is a powerful force that can bring people together for the greater good. Thank you.